Uh-oh. I'm guessing it was that. Just drive over a bottle? No crash, just a bottle on the ground. Okay. Welcome to Seattle. Yep, texting and driving in a Tesla. Imagine that. Oh my God. Wrong way, you dumb shit.
That's right.
Used to be a music store right there. Oh my God, they read the sign. Thank you. Can anybody tell me what the symbol on the ground means? Does it mean bicycles? I wonder. The mystery remains. Can't blame these joggers for not running on that path right there. Obviously there's no water in the bike lane, so I can see why they would do it. Bang! Yep, texting.
She's not aware. I'm next to her. She's moving. She's not aware of pedestrian in front of her.
Good job. Good job. Bike lanes are for cars, right? It's free parking. Well, if pedestrians can, so can I. Good job. There's no one in there. I have a stop sign. It's your right of way. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Oh my God. Few seconds. No. You're not gonna park there, are you?
Run in and out.
I don't care. This is not a parking space. Congratulations. You got a free sticker.
Later that night.
In and out, huh? That was like 10 minutes. Find a parking spot next time. Hooray! We can go now! This is called a bike lane. Joggers go right there. Wrong way. I'm not your mom. He said, eat shit, something, something. All because I said wrong way. I didn't even attach an insult to it. Oh my God. Oh, but cyclists run red lights. Definitely not big wanker trucks. No, they always obey the rules. They never make up their own. Vroom vroom. I'm in me mom's truck. Tailgating as fast as I can. Getting nowhere faster. Where are you going? No turn on red. Nope, they're gonna do it anyway. No turn on red, idiot! Nope, but cyclists, they're entitled. They make up their own rules. Holy shit, pedestrian crossed when it wasn't their light. Oh my God. Yep, texting and driving. That is a literal razor blade. Right in the middle of the bike lane. Yep, they're on the phone while driving. But I'm sure they only do it at stoplights. Put the phone away. Put your phone away. Why are you driving with your flashers on? How am I supposed to know which way you're going? This is like freezing rain. Oh, but see, cyclists don't stop at stop signs. Car does the same thing. Crickets.
啊，为什么还不点赞啊？快订阅！拜托，我这用生命在这做，我这差点要死了。快点啊，我马上再回来。
Hooray, someone who looks. That looks really safe. Guess there's not enough scooters around. They had to share one. Oh, very good. We blocked the intersection. Forcing drivers to do this. Good job. Oh, but see, cyclists don't stop at stop signs. And red.
Run, bitch!
Oh, now you
Run!
go. Good job, dummy. That's still a red light run. You missed that person running red light, officer. Oh, it's because they're staring at their phone. Yep, no turn on red, but remember how cyclists make up their own rules. it does have a turn signal. Hey, watch, I'm gonna destroy it. Wow, they were able to find the jogging path. It's such a difficult thing to achieve. But yet they still did it. Yep, sidewalk riding and on the phone. Go. It's your turn. Don't know how four-way stops work. Very good, very good. Make a right turn from the middle lane. Okay. Stupid shit. Yeah. That's a nice bike you got. There. Look at this. Womp womp. I guess Gerber is the superior towing. Sidewalk's over here, idiot. Bang! That's a smart place to stand. Didn't even flinch. Who's honking? What? What's happening? Put the phone away. I see that. That's a smart place to stand. Very good. Yep, they're on the phone. Clearly paying attention. Oh, what's that? They got honked at by the person behind them because they're on their phone and not paying attention to the light? Never would have guessed. Bang! Smart place to walk. Literally backwards. Cyclist was on the sidewalk and people were walking in the road. Yep, they're texting and driving with a dog in their lap. No tags. Shoe shopping. How about we put the phone away? You're shoe shopping.